friends, welcome to Divine Designs. I have me a new mold here, and this is a mold that will hold my alcohol inks. So obviously I had to make more than one of these, but they just hold your inks, and it'd be really nice to have them out here when you're working. So I decided that I am going to just do some drops on here of different colors, means it's going to be for my alcohol inks. I don't know what colors I'm picking out here, so it's just going to be colors because that's what's going in here. So I am just randomly picking up colors. And we're going to see how this turns out. Because I have no idea. Oops, that one's not even open. So I guess we won't use that one. That one was red. This one is purple. And one more. Sugilite. Looks like a type of red. Or burgundy. What do you think? Think that's enough? That's 2, 4, 6, 7 colors in here. And I made up some resin and I put just a little bit of glitter in here. I did 7 ounces, so I'm praying that this is going to be enough. So we'll get this started by just throwing some on here and see how it looks. And then we'll just pour. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. And I'm praying 7 ounces is going to be enough. I think it's going to be just enough. Look at that. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. I'm not going to stir this. I'm not going to mess with it. I am just going to let resin do what resin does. And look at that. Perfect amount. Wow. So I'm just going to let it just move around, do its thing. That is so cool. I love it. And if it turns out really good, we're gonna do it again. And we're gonna make another one with other colors. I'll leave these colors out. So with the next one, we will do another set of colors. But that is so cool. Okay, when this is all set up, we will be right back. Well, let me get this out of the ring light so you can see what it looks like. There, that's better. Now you can see what it looks like. Okay, we will be right back. Okay, we are back for demold. Let's see how this turned out. And then we're going to make another one. So we're going to do, I have a 2 for 1 here. We're going to do 1 video and have 2 of these. So let's see how this looks. I think it's gonna look beautiful. I think they're gonna be so pretty, but let's take a peek. There's a lot of holes here to get to. I think I meant to bring this to my body to get it started. Okay, let me pause you guys for a second. Let me get this out of here. Okay, I'm almost there. There we go. Oh, now that is pretty. Let's see here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I put just a little bit of glitter in there, and that's enough to make it sparkle. And look at that. And look, they fit perfect in there. Look at there. That is going to be perfect. I can leave these sit right on my desk. So that's why I said I have to make another one, because one isn't going to do it. I'll probably have to make more than that, because this has 48 in it. So I don't even know how many this is. Let's see. 19. I think it might be 19, maybe 20. I don't know. I counted quickly, so it's either 19 or 20. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So we're going to set this one off to the side, and we're going to pour another one. Make sure this is going to look okay. All right. So let me get my gloves on here, because I already have the resin made up. And so then we'll do another one and see how this one turns out. And we may do one more, because I think I might want to try mica powders. What do you think? Should I try one with mica powders? I think I should try one with mica powders. So, got my gloves on. I have my resin here made. Give it a quick stir. And I'm just gonna be grabbing colors out like I did before. No rhyme or reason. I'm leaving the ones out that I've already used, so that way you don't use them again. Oh man, this one here is a messy one. Must be one I cut with scissors. Don't cut these with scissors. Poke them with a needle. They're much less messy. I did cut some of them with scissors, and I regret tremendously. Okay, so that was a peach. Dark moss was the first one. So this one here is a magenta. Okay, so that's magenta. This one is a green. Okay. And this is apricot. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And now we'll pour this in and let this one sit. I did put some glitter in this one too. We like that sparkle. And we will let this one sit and just move around, do its thing. I don't stir them. I just let them move around. Watch the bubbles come to the surface, and then I can take care of the bubbles. Okay. That was quick. That's why I think I can get 3 of these in one video. So we're gonna let this one sit, demold it, and then I think we're gonna do a mica powder. And we're gonna see how mica powders look in it. I was kind of doing the alcohol inks because that's what these are for, is for alcohol inks, but that turned out really pretty. I love the colors in this. Okay, we will be back for demold. All right, we're back with the second one. This is the first one. I already got some alcohol inks in that one. So let's get this one demolded, and then we're going to do one more, and we're going to see how they look. Okay. Come on. Right. Oh, now that one's really pretty too. Look at that one. Isn't that really pretty? I decided to do all of them with alcohol inks because that's what they're going to be holding. So now we are going to do another one. And we're just going to randomly put some more alcohol inks in here. Get my gloves back on here. All right. So I already got my resin made up. We just have to randomly go through and put more alcohol inks in this one. I'm really staining up my mold by doing it this way, but I think it looks really cool like this. So we are just going to go through and use different colors. I'm not even sure if I got all these opened up. Okay, this one here is coffee. And as I do them, I'm just going to put them in their little rack over here. This one here is a rose. This is a blue, and I don't think there's anything in here. Let's see. Nope, we can throw that one away. That one's empty. But we have azure blue, there we go, and how about a green? This is an emerald green. And let's try a light color. This is the dandelion yellow. We'll put a light color in here, Kind of go around the edges. Okay. That fills that one. And here is the resin. Now see, these are really simple to do. So then we just pour them in until it fills all up. There we go. And then we'll let this one sit until this one's all done. And we will be all set with these. We'll see how each one turned out and how pretty they are. So far, I am just loving it. So this one can sit until it's all set up. Let's look at these. Here's this one with them all in it. And look at that. Now I can see what colors they are instead of being in the box. Isn't that really cool? Look at that. Now I can see what colors they are. So there's that one. I did not put glitter in this one. These here I put glitter in. I'm going to see what one looks like without glitter. But there we go. So we're going to let this sit. And we'll see how this one turns out. We'll be right back. We are back to demold this one. This is the last one. This is number 3. I did throw some glitter in this one. Just because I don't know if any of it sunk. I think it kind of just stayed on the back because I didn't mix it in. It was just kind of an afterthought. So we are going to pull these out. Okay, just a second, let me pull them out. Okay. Whew, I got it off. That was a struggle. Oh look, they did come to the surface. That's kind of pretty. Now, this one looks real pretty. Okay, so that is all 3 of them. And I can get the last of the alcohol ones in here. I have a bin of alcohol ones also, but these are all my Let's Resin. These are what I use to poke them with. These are my colors. Then I can get rid of that box. And now I can see what the colors all are in here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Now I can see all the colors. Okay, let me take some pictures of these. I'll do my glamour shots. But these all turned out really good. I'm happy with every one of them. They all turned out just a little bit different. But they hold all my alcohol inks, and that's what I need. So I want to thank you guys for coming and watching my video. I really appreciate that you guys come and watch, because that helps my channel. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe. It is free. It doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe. It just helps my channel out tremendously. And I will see you guys next time. Bye now.